this is Jonah sa OMOC-OC, and this is my tutorial video about a sketch plan with the use of manual boundary plotter from the Excel. So this is the technical description of the data that I will input later on. So it has its line number from the timeline with its bearing, distance, northing, and easting. So it has 6 corners. So I will show you the figure that we will be doing. So the figure that we will be doing has 6 corners with an area of 152 square meters. So let us proceed in putting the area in the Excel, which is the manual boundary plotter. So yes. So first, ang atong i-change here is only the data nga nag-red. So the area is 152 square meters. I know, not here. 152 square. 152 square meters. And then with the number of corners of 6. And then here it is a corresponding bearing, which is the northeast, northwest, and everything. So I will explain it to you. Why did I put number 9? So muna siyang explanation nga nung kadto ang ato ang gipili. So with its corresponding numbers, let us use the numpad. So with the use of the numpad, makabaluta og unsa ang itong i-input with its different directions atong bearing. So for example, we have the southwest. We will input 1, and south for the due south for 2, southeast for 3, and so on and so forth. So muna siya explanation for that. So now we will proceed in inputting our data in our manual boundary plotter. So first, from the timeline to corner 1, which is northeast, which is 9, and then with the bearing of 0, 8, 1, 5. Now with the distance of 6, 5, 6, 73. Oh my god. 0, 8, 1, 5, 6, 5, 6, 73. Okay. So we will now input our last 2 corners, which is 5 to 6 and 6 to 1. For the 5 to 6, we have the southwest. So 1, enter. 6 to 1 is southwest again. So that's it. So after that, we will go to the raw data sheet and copy everything. So from here, we will copy it, Control C, and we'll paste it in our AutoCAD command bar. So Control V, enter, and then Z, enter for zoom, and then extend so that it will show our figure. So here is our figure, which is the same as what I have showed you earlier. So after that, since na-show naman itong figure, we will put the command AP for uploading our Rory VF. So we'll just find our file here and then load. And then after that, if it shows Rory VF VLX successfully loaded, so let us close it. So we will proceed to the next command, which is the TD, which is TD create. TD, after that, we'll choose the points, and then we will select the first point, which is here, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, and last point. So enter, then yes, and then specify height of annotation is 0.5, enter. So we'll wait for its and specify text height. So we'll also choose 0.5 enter and enter unit of distance, and it is meter. So we'll specify we'll put our table, so we'll put it here so that it will not be visible in our sketch plan later. So after that, we'll now move to making our sketch plan. So let us create our final sketch plan and putting the sheet of layout 1 for making our sketch plan. So after that, we'll make a rectangle so that we will copy every detail from a made sketch plan from before. So we will copy everything, Control C, and then we'll go back to our Control V. So here it is, and we'll just put it there. So after copying it, we'll move it since medyo siya magbalitan from point to point earlier. So we'll just select this one, and then let's move it from here to here. So it is now adjust everything. So let me adjust it first. So after adjusting everything, so I'll now put everything into place from here. So from here, the sketch plan will copy this from the model. Control C. We'll get back to the layout. Control V. So it is here, and we'll move it up. And let us scale everything up. So after that, we'll select match prop to be able to turn this into black. So it is done. So now let us edit out in the inside of the image. So first the grid. So let us off it. After that, the scale. So Z, enter S, enter 1000 over. Let us try 150x XP. So it is just right. So after this, we'll also match prop it so that it will combine with the colors. So we now edited everything. So the only thing that wala pa dyan na to na-edit is the lot number and the survey number. So we'll now edit it. So it is lot 2 of this 152 squares meters. 152 enter with a scale of 1:2 to 50. 150. 150 enter. Also edit this one. Lot 2 enter with the date of May 10 enter. So that's it. We have now a sketch plan. We made a sketch plan using So that's it. We made a sketch plan using a manual boundary platter. So that's all, guys. Thank you.